morning, Devashish.
Good morning, sir.
User defined exception, right? Declarative section, executable section, and exception handling section, right? The trapping user defined exception PLSQL enables you to define your own exception depending on the requirement of your application. For example, you may promote the user to enter a department number, define an exception to deal with error condition in the input data, check whether the department number exit. If it is does not exit, you may have to raise the user defined exception. The PLSQL exception must be declare the declarative section of PLSQL block, raised explicitly with raise statement, handle in the exception section, right? Declarative section रे तमरो से एरर टा खोजला परे ताको रेज करा हबो, देन एक्सेप्शन हैंडल ताको करा हबो को एक्सेप्शन तमरो आछी को टाइप रो आछी सेटा होची यूजर डिफाइन हला जंदे एडी मोर दला डिक्लेयर कला गोटे वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कला सेते मोर 500 दला, देन आ गोटे नेम डिक्लेयर कला टेस्टिंग that invalid department exception begin update department, then department number ta ko eti pass kala, department name ta ko eti pass kala. If SQL underscore not found, then raise invalid department, and if commit, then exception तारो handle कला. Means कौन सही ना रे जदि मोर जदि सही आईडी रे सही नंबर रे जदि मोर जदि सही नाटा जदि नाही तल मते एरर थ्रो करिवो सेटमेंट देला सेठी नो सच डिपार्टमेंट आईडी एरर हला. Trapping user defined exception continued. You trap a user defined exception by declaring it and raising it explicitly. Declare the name of user defined exception within the declarative section. Syntax is exception, exception name, then exception. In the syntax exception, the name of exception. You use the raise statement to raise the exception explicitly within the executable section. Syntax is raise exception. Reference to the declare exception within the corresponding exception handling routine. The block shown in the slide update the department name of the department. The user supplies the department number and the new name. If the supplies department number does not exist, no rows are updated in the departments table. An exception is raised and a message is printed for the user that an invalid department number was entered. Note that use the raise statement by itself within the exception handler to raise the same exception again and propagate it block to the calling environment, right? Then read see the right sub block preparing exception in sub block re more ethi dela, right? एटा पढ़ाई छी बोधे काली
सर एटा करथिले बोधे एटा सर एटा पढ़ाई रेज ऑन एप्लीकेशन एटा पढ़ाई
एटा पढ़ा
प्रोसीजर लिखा है एट प्रोसीजर लिखा है.
So raise application error number, message true or false. You can use the procedure to issue user defined error message from the store sub programs. You can report error to your application and avoid returning unheld exception. Raise exception error for procedure. Use the raise application error procedure to communicate a predefined exception interactively by returning an non-standard error code and error message with raise application error. You can report error to your application and avoid returning handled exception, right? The syntax is error number is a user-defined number for the exception between 20,000 and 20,999. Message is the user-defined message for the exception is a character string up to 2048 byte long, right? 80 byte जाए तमें message टा दे परी. True or false is an optional boolean parameter. If true is the error is placed on the stack of previous error. if false, which is the default, the error replace all the previous error. Is used to in two different places, that is executable section and exception section. Returns error condition to the user in a manner consistent with the Oracle server error. The raise application error procedure can be used in either the executable section or the exception section of PLSQL program, or both. The return error is consistent with how the Oracle server procedure a predefined, non-predefined, or user-defined error. The error number and message are displayed to the user, right? जोड़ा कि user-defined जल्दी हो. Raise application error procedure executable section declare from employees where manager ID equal to v manager, right? Pass kala se माने v manager already variable declare हेइथिबो सेइथरे value pass हेइथिबो सेटा manager ID को assign हेइछि, right? Then if SQL personnel not found, then raise application error से error number टा दला this is not valid manager ID. And if the exception section when no data found, then raise application error, this manager is not valid employee. Exception section show kari. Raise application error procedure continued. The slide shows the raise application error procedure can be used in both the executable and exception section of PLSQL program. Here is another example of using the raise application error procedure. Declare ename exception begin, then declare from employees where last name equal to hygienist. If SQL percentiles not found, then raise ename, and if exception when ename, then tomorrow error ta pass kala kon this is not valid last name. Introducing store procedure and function. आउ तमरो अल्प अछि, ठीक अछि. आउ ए जो एक्सेशन रो प्रैक्टिकल टा मु पठे देबी, बनेनी बनेई पठे देबी.
आरो बोइतरा कोन अछि?
आउटे
बोइ जो कोन अछि? बोइ अछि आउटे ना पार्ट 2 आउट बोइ अछि.
हां ठीक अछि, मु बनेई पठे देबी, बनेई पठे देबी.
सर सर एटा तो गोटे बोइ आउटे बोइ जो अछि आपर आउटे पढिया जो बोइटा पार्ट 2 टा.
माने एटा सल्ला पुनी आउटे तारो पार्ट 2 टा अछि. हला एटा आउ देटा
सर पार्ट 2 टा कोन एडवा?
हां
पार्ट 2 टा कोन एडवांस ना कोन?
हां हां हला एटा हम काली पढिबो.
सर ठीक है.